Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to configure VLAN in Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's begin. Click on Network Devices, select Switches, select the second one, PT switch, drag it and drop it on the working page, then drag and drop 4 PCs on the working page, PC0, PC1, PC2 and PC3. Now let's make the connections. So click on connection, select the third one, copper straight through wire, fast Ethernet 0, Ethernet 01, Ethernet 0, Ethernet 11, Ethernet 0, Ethernet 21, Ethernet 0, Ethernet 31. So now we have made all the connections. The first one is F01, second is F11, third is F21 and fourth one is F31. So now let's make a group of 2 PCs, group 1 and group 2. Now let's name them as VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So there are basically two VLANs we have created. Click on PC0, click on desktop, click on IP configuration and let's set the IP address as 192.168.10.2 and the default gateway 10.1. Close it. Click on PC1, desktop, IP configuration, IP address 10.3 and the default gateway is 10.1, same as previous. Click on PC2, desktop, IP configuration, let the IP address be 192.168.20.2 and the default gateway 10.20.1. Click on PC3, desktop, IP configuration, let the IP address be 20.3 and the default gateway is 20.1, same as previous. So these are the IP configurations of all the PCs: 10.2, 10.3, 20.2 and 20.3. Click on switch, CLI, press enter. Now let's type the command en, then config, then VLAN 10. Let's name the VLAN as name PRATIK Pratik, then exit from VLAN 10. Then VLAN 20. Let's name the VLAN 20 as MATKAR Matkar, then exit. Then again exit from config, press enter, then type the command show VLAN. This will display all the VLANs which are available. Scroll up, you will be able to see all the VLANs. There are 2 VLANs which we have created, 10 and 20, and we have named them as Pratik and Matkar. The status of both the VLANs are active. Scroll down, press enter, enter. Now we will configure those VLANs. So let's type the command confi, enter, then interface F01, switch port, access VLAN 10, enter, exit. So the F01 will access VLAN 10. In the same way, interface F11, switch port, access VLAN 10, exit. Interface F21, switch port, access VLAN 20, exit. Interface F31, switch port, access VLAN 20, exit. From interface, then exit from config. Now both the VLANs are configured successfully. So these are the commands of configuration. Let's close it. F01 is configured to VLAN 10. F11 is configured to VLAN 10. F21 is configured to VLAN 20. And F31 is configured to VLAN 20. So both the VLANs are configured successfully. So that's all in today's video. If you have any query, let me know through your comments and subscribe my channel for more informative videos on Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you.